Hey, everyone! Welcome back to another exciting week in the world of AE. I know I say this almost every week, but trust me, this one was a wild ride. So much happened, especially on a single day, the 23rd. I've got tons of tabs open here, and I can't wait to share it all with you. Let's dive in and break it down. To start off, let's talk about Facebook's groundbreaking announcement on May 22nd. Meta, the company behind Facebook, introduced their massively multilingual Speech A. This incredible technology enables Speech A, text translation, in over 1,100 different languages. And guess what? It's incredibly accurate. The AI models have achieved near perfect transcription accuracy, making it a game changer in the field of speech recognition. Now, let's move on to an intriguing incident that occurred on the same day. There was an image circulating on social media, allegedly showing an explosion near the Pentagon. Many news outlets quickly shared this image, causing a brief stock market downturn. However, upon closer examination, it became evident that the image had several issues and could have been easily manipulated using Photoshop. This incident sheds light not only on the potential harm of AI-generated images, but also on the responsibility of news media to verify information before sharing it. Now, let's dive into the craziest day of the week, May 23rd. It was jam-packed with news articles and announcements. I even wrote a tweet about it because it was overwhelming. Adobe made a significant update by adding AI image generation using Firefly to Photoshoot. This means that if you have an Adobe subscription and access to Photoshop or the Adobe Creative Cloud, you can tap into the power of AI right within the software. Let me show you how it works. Isn't that amazing? With just a few clicks, you can generate new elements in your images, making complex compositing tasks much easier. But wait, there's more! The Microsoft Build event had developers buzzing with excitement. One of the highlights was the introduction of Windows Copilot, which integrates AI-powered chat, GPU-powered chat, directly into the Windows operating system. No need to go to Bing anymore. You'll have Chat GPU readily available right at the system level. Let's take a look at a quick demo. Impressive, right? Having AI-powered assistance directly in Windows opens up endless possibilities for increased productivity and creativity. And guess what? The chat plugins we all love are not limited to Windows Copilot. Microsoft announced that these plugins will also work within Bing Chat and other Microsoft services. This interoperability means you can leverage the power of plugins across various platforms. Let me show you how it works. The integration of plugins across different Microsoft platforms enhances the functionality and accessibility of AI-driven tools like never before. But the Microsoft Build event didn't stop there. They also revealed that the Microsoft Store will now feature AI-generated app review summaries. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. I appreciate your support and feedback. See you in the next one. Bye for now.